This machine is customized for an overseas customer. It adopts a C-shaped structure unlike conventional machines. The hydraulic pump station is not integrated into the machine as in conventional models but has been designed as a modular system. In addition, both the upper and lower workbenches are equipped with heating plates to support heating operations. And they come with a servo system for precise temperature control. This machine is capable of applying a pressure of up to 700 tons. The entire machine has undergone a specialized load-bearing reinforcement design. This is because the main cylinder's pressure reaches up to 700 tons, necessitating a larger dual-motor pump station. Although the customer has not disclosed the specific purpose for manufacturing, it can be speculated that if it were a domestic customer, they might not choose a single-arm model. This also underscores the importance of meeting customer requirements, and as long as it falls within a reasonable scope, we can provide the corresponding design.